Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener channel. For those that are new to the channel, what I do is review products related to firearms and holsters, knives and sharpening techniques, and the sharpening equipment you need, everyday carry, and gunsmithing tools. And today, gunsmithing tools is going to be the subject of a video. I have a set of digital outside micrometers from Groz, USA. Not long ago, I reviewed a set of digital outside calipers from Groz. I was impressed with them, and they sent this one out today. This is a high quality micrometer. Comes in this nice little case. I'm going to take it out and show everyone about it. We'll set this to the side. Goes up to 1 inch. Got a lock on here, so when you get your settings the way you want, go ahead, turn it down to 0. Do it slowly. Don't get in a big hurry. This is a precision instrument. Okay, we'll get it down to close it up, and we'll turn it on and 0 it out. That's all you got to do to turn it on. Now we're going to set it in millimeters, and we're going to 0 it out. You have a 0, a decimal, and 3 zeros past that for the millimeters. It also has the inch increments on here too. First thing I'm going to do is just back it back out. And I'll take some measurements on this Beretta M9 stock hammer. I swapped it out for a Beretta skeletonized hammer not too long after I bought the firearm. And if you want to use these, I'm going to stand up so one can see. It'd be easier if I had a stand for this, but I haven't got one yet. These just came in today. But as you can see, we'll lock that down. We have 9.123 of a measurement. Now we're going to unlock it. And I'll take the digital calipers. We'll turn them on too for those that didn't see the video. And you can 0 them out as well. And they have a fine adjustment on this too. And we're going to set this one up with the millimeters, so we're comparing the same thing. You can see this is 9.09. So this is in tenths, and this is hundredths of a millimeter. Now we'll set it up and we'll put it on the inch settings. And we'll see what we have on it. We'll back this one back down and do it both of them. The video is on this, but I wanted to compare both of them so everyone could see the difference about how much more accurate these are for 10 times more. When precision counts, this is what you want to use. Okay. We'll 0 it out. Let's see. Get it 0'd out. And I'm going to put it on the inch settings. Okay, now we have inch settings. You have a 0.00000. That's quite a few zeros. Now we'll check it out, see what we got with this. Comes with a little battery, and it also has a little port if you had a way to hook it up to your computer to collect all your data. Now, I'll stand up to make it a little easier for myself. Okay. what I have is 0.35950. Okay, now we'll do the inch on the calipers. We have 0.357 on the calipers. So you can see that is a little more detailed. We'll set these over to the side for now. But I've been impressed with the tools that they make. Here's where you change your battery. And always keep them clean. And one thing I didn't mention, every time you use them, open it up just enough, put a little paper towel in there, a little piece of paper to make sure that it's clean. That way you get an accurate measurement. These are very handy if you're doing any fine tuning and accuracy on your gun work and you want it right. Now we'll have a few final words. Now I hope everyone got some benefit out of this video reviewing this product. Go to their website, pick out the tools you need. Like I say, they've got quite a few different items and a lot of machinist tools. Don't forget there's a Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. Like and subscribe to this channel. Share it with all your friends. Hit the notification bell. Throw a couple of likes in there. And remember, I only review products that I would purchase myself. And if they're not any good, you won't see them. I will not review them. I will not waste my time. Till next time, come back to see us. Have a good day.